Granny, she was sitting right there when I came on the brick. I'm at the brick, tell a man
Get down so I can write that. Yes, get down.
Hey, come on. Welcome to the Luminous Lagoon. This is the brightest one in the world.
Yes.
It's all over, but this is the brightest. You'll never find it nowhere brighter than Jamaica. And the lagoon is called the Iceland's Bay. Iceland's Bay. That's how the hotel got its name over there. It used to be filled with oysters, but over here, from the rain that falls in the mountain, and the topsoil wash into the river, the silt comes down in the river, and it settles to the bottom, so it kills the oysters, but cover the oysters. Oysters is still here, but they're in the deeper water, closer to the cruise ship pier. It's just not a pier, it's a cruise ship pier. Normally a pier is where cargo goes, right? Like lumber, barrels and stuff like that, and containers, but that's no container or anything comes to that pier, just cruise ship.
Look at it, they're
And
big
it is
boats.
voted the #1 pier in the Caribbean. That's the town of Falmouth. And that's where Ben Johnson was born. And also Usain Bolt. Yeah? They were born in the hospital over there. I went to school over there. Like where the clouds are.
Yeah.
The first water that comes into the bay that makes it brackish is right over there. It's called the Monterey River.
Yeah.
It was named after a famous slave, this Monterey. And also, the town is a Georgian architect town. It was designed in England. And they try to continue it. All the new buildings that are put up have to be Georgian architect. And it's the best laid out town in the Caribbean also. You can stay at one end of the street and see the other end.
Oh wow. There's more boats going.
And also that town had running water before the city of New York. And electricity.
Whoa, look at them. There's so many of them right there.
And every harbor you go in Jamaica, you'll find a fort. The fort was to protect the harbors from the Spanish. The British put in these cannons. So when the ships come, they fire the cannon through the hole. Or some of them are cannon fireball. And the ships were made of planks. So when the fire goes on board with kerosene, it breaks and it catches the ship on fire. Or the cannon hit the side and put a big hole into it and sink it. There was no explosion. Until they came out with gunpowder, Chinese.
Amelia. Hi. Having fun?
And that's not an island, it's a peninsula. It connects to the main island. That's surrounded by water. There's an access road to get to it, to the hotel. You don't have to take a ferry, you can drive to it. And that's what protects the bay. So when there's bad weather, it protects the bay. Even a hurricane, it protects the bay. The bay is protected two ways. If the weather comes from that side, Falmouth protects it. If the weather comes from the east or the north, the peninsula protects it. And the longest peninsula in the Caribbean is in Jamaica. It's in Port Royal, on the other side of Jamaica. It's Kingston. To protect the Kingston Harbour, which is the deepest natural harbour in the world. It was not dredged, and it's over 60 feet deep. You find whales in there, dolphins, shark, and a whole lot of tarpon. Big fish lives in that in the harbour. The harbour is over 60 feet deep. Any ship can go inside there. It's just for the entrance to come in, they have to dredge. The harbour is all natural. Yeah, that's in the boat.
Well, I think that's from the boat, yeah.
And that's the biggest port in the Caribbean. It is one of the busiest ports in the Caribbean. Like 20 ships a day. A lot of it's a transshipment port where goods that come from China come there. The other ship comes and pick it up and take it to other Caribbean islands. The that's what they wanted to do. They want to make a hub all over Bay. So the big container ship, the super ship, bring all the cargo in.
Guys, look, what it looks like.
Two words closer. You know what it was to do. Closer to the camera, to the camera. All the bay is like this. And the water inside there is brackish. Fresh water comes from the Monterey, and the salt water comes from the Caribbean.
Whoa, that's so
Also, we have
cool.
the second deepest water in the Caribbean. It's called the Cayman Track. It goes over 24,000 feet. It's 4 miles
Yeah.
of water. Where we catch large game fish.
Do you want
Two
some of the
marlin,
water?
yellowfish, tuna,
I am gonna jump.
wow, barracuda, and shark. Sure. And there's nothing in the bay to harm you.
Perfect. No sharks.
I'm the only shark inside.
That's the only shark.
Hey, Daddy.
And it doesn't need meat.
Daddy, take the
He's a
bottle.
vegetarian.
I know. Hold on.
The anchor. Go to breathe up low.
Yeah, he's a vegetarian. 80% of
Canada,
Jamaican
and we're almost getting like a private show. So,
Only the neck. Turkey neck.
so you're gonna take a picture of me when I go in the water?
Yeah, hold on. You're gonna jump in or you're gonna go down the log?
I'm gonna jump, man.
Hold on. I'm gonna get you jumping.
You gotta go all out. You gotta go all out. You see that red thing is blinking, right?
Yeah, it's...
You all gotta get in, man. Everyone's swimming inside here, guys. You know, you got nothing to worry about.
Amelia, why don't you come?
I don't want to.
Come
the
on.
dark that's scaring
Don't
all
worry,
of
I'm
us.
gonna tip the boat over, okay? Hold on.
Are we staying in one spot or are we moving?
We're staying in one spot. So listen now. So when you jump in, either you're gonna jump and turn so you can get your face in the camera,
Okay.
or you gotta jump backwards. Which one you prefer?
So I'll jump and turn.
Yeah, so I can get your face in the camera.
Yeah.
I think you should jump over there.
Oh, there, okay.
Melts.
Holy.
So which hotel you guys stayed in, Grill?
For you.
Rio?
Yeah.
Yeah. Which
Oh
one,
my
the
God,
club
I
or
can't believe I'm
tropical?
doing this.
Club.
Yeah, man. You can
Club.
Yeah.
It's
One,
nicer.
two.
Yeah,
It's a newer one.
Yeah.
3, go.
I lived in England for 19 years. I saw all
Get this.
Oh, look at that. That's crazy.
most of the hotel in England I saw them
Whoa.
go up.
That was crazy. Hold on. Liam, can you get down and stay?
Why?
Mike, can you just splash the water?
I am.
You know why it's called a bloody bay?
Why?
Because that's where they used to slaughter the whale.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna
Like right here off, so you all gonna sit. So when the water is driving, I take some nice photos.
Okay, yeah, that would be awesome. Mom, can you put that away? He's gonna have us sit, and then when the boat's moving, we can take pictures.
Yeah. Guys, you know, you can book these big tour boats. They will take you like 50 at a time. You can't even have fun, but come with Jeffrey. Look at these guys. We're the only one in the boat. And this man knows a lot of stuff, so
Hold on, your son just turned off my roaming.
follow me.
What?
Guys, we just finished our private tour. It was amazing. We loved it.